Hello everyone, I hope you are having a wonderful day. Today is Saturday, January 16th, and I did just receive my Boxycharm for the month of January. There's something with liquid in it because I can hear it swooshing around. So I went ahead and did my brows. I have primer on my eyes, and then my face. I put some concealer where it needs to be. This, I woke up today and it is like this. I don't know what's going on, so I'm going to have to make it. I'm going to be making an appointment for my dermatologist because I don't know what that is, but it is kind of sore. So just ignore that. Is what it is. That's life. Okay. So let's go ahead and open this. I have no idea what is in it. I don't even remember what I picked. So this is what it looks like when I open it, and it looks like the card. This month's theme is Fresh Start. So the liquid that I've been hearing is this Avant Biphase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. And I'm always on the lookout for micellar waters. My favorite is my La Mer. The Tarte one I used was really nice as well. Let's see, this one, might as well just stick with my La Mer. This one costs $90. I'm gonna try this out and see if I like it. I'm trying to get away from using the more expensive micellar waters, but we'll see. I'm one who, if it's working well for my skin, I will go ahead and use it and purchase it. This says it's infused with replenishing ingredients, biphase hyaluronic acid, rejuvenating micellar water, presents an oil phase aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup, and a micellar water phase working to capture impurities. It dissolves makeup without rubbing or rinsing. So I'll do a follow-up video in a couple of weeks for really real this time and let you know what I think. It's a really cold bottle right now. We had a blizzard here in Omaha yesterday. Well, yeah, it was a blizzard. It was not fun. The next item is from Dr. Brandt, and Dr. Brandt is a skincare brand that I really, really like. This is the Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I have used this line before. I have not used the eye cream. And this retails for $82. Dr. Brandt. I'm never shocked at some of these prices because I've made purchases from these brands, so I know that they're expensive. The description says this deeply hydrating peptide-powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. For refreshed, younger looking eyes, and it's for all skin types. I only have one eye thing open right now, so I am going to try this one out. Again, my La Mer. So it's a 0.5 ounce tube, which basically makes it 15 mLs. Let's see how this feels. Ooh, it feels very nice. A little bit of a scent, but not bad. And it's more medicinal type of a scent, like not bad, but I am going to be trying this out. And again, I will give you an update on how I feel about that product. Next, I have the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I don't know this brand. This retails for $33. The description says it's an essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this balm its citrusy, tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. I don't particularly want to spend $33 on a lip balm, but if it's working, you know, with the masks and everything on during the day, smell good. Again, I will keep you all up to date on how I like this. It does make my lips feel tingly and refreshed. The next item is the Farmacy Daily Greens, and it is the oil-free moisturizer. This retails for $38. Farmacy is a brand I do like. The description says an oil-free and silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration without leaving the skin feeling greasy. This vegan, cruelty-free formula contains hyaluronic acid and a blend of phytonutrients known to help clear pores and reduce shine. And I do like gel moisturizers, and I am almost out of the one that I currently have been using, which is the La Mer. Look at that. Sad. So I am going to try this one out as well. I can't get the box open. I really like Farmacy's is it Green Clean Balm. That stuff is amazing. Let me just put a little bit on my hand. Let's see. Oh, it feels really nice. Very hydrating. I'll let that soak in a little bit. And then the last item in my box is the Velvet Palette from Ciate, London. This retails for $30. It says, the description, create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formula delivers high pigment with super soft application. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. Do I, don't I? So why don't we go ahead and do a look with this today? There are no colors listed on the back of the palette nor on the box. Really quick, my box totaled $273, which is well over the $125 that is guaranteed. I don't know what's going on with Boxycharm right now, but the variation is C21005-BA. So, I mean, they used to have like variation 15, 16, you know. So I'm not quite sure if these even mean anything anymore. So let's go ahead and do swatches first, and then we'll do an eye look. Oh, they feel smooth. Look at that. I do like many of Ciate London's products and many of their palettes. So here's the first row. It's pretty. And the second row. If you can hear that noise, it's my neighbor snow blowing. Like I said, we got snow yesterday, so, and the wind was blowing it, so we have huge drifts. And here is the final row. These just glide on like butter. These are beautiful. So here is the palette. The colors in the palette. With my Delium Tools 785 brush, I am going to go into this upper shade right here. Do get a little bit of kick up. Placing this above my crease. With a Luxie 207 brush, I am going into this shade, second row, 1, 2, 3, over from the left. That is pigmented. I just barely touched that. This is going in my crease. And I'm gonna blow it out. Probably isn't the correct term, but hey, that's what I want to do today. With my Luxie 231 brush, I am going on this bottom row in the shimmery shade right there. Again, very pigmented. There's no kick up on that one, only the first color that I used. I'm going to put this in the outer part of my eyelid. That is a really pretty color. With my Delium 773 brush, I am going into this first shade on the top row, only on one side of the brush. Ooh, that even applies so very nice. Look at that. Impressive. Flipping that brush over, and this one is really intriguing me, so that's what I'm going to use. Again, just a little swipe. Very pretty. I'm just going to continue to use this brush. I'm dipping into this color on the second row. It's the one that we used for the crease. And I'm going to go right under my eyelash. My lower eyeline. My lower lash line. Hey, I can talk. I'm going to finish the rest of my eyes off camera, and then I will be back and show you the finished look and then give you my thoughts on this palette and this box. Okay, I have finished my look. I did use, of course, the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara in Very Black. I did go to Ulta last week and I wanted to buy a full size, but they're out, which was kind of blah, but whatever. I also used the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Fly Liner, and this is in the shade Because I'm Black. It's the liquid one. And Laura Geller Ultraviolet, and this is the Incredible Waterproof Gel Eyeliner. I really do like this look. These colors, this palette is just so pigmented. It was wonderful working with. You know, just a little dab into, very lightly touch the shadow, and it applied to the brush beautifully. It was pigmented. Only one shade that I used was a little powdery, but it still applied beautifully. So what do I think of my box this month? I like it. It is very skincare heavy, which is not a bad thing. I am excited to try all of these items. Like I said, I am almost out of my gel moisturizer, so it will be easy just to incorporate the Farmacy one. the Avant water, micellar water. I'm really excited to try this. This isn't a, this is a very nice brand. I seem to get a lot of these products from Avant, which is not a bad thing. The eye cream I'm excited to try. I do like Dr. Brandt. And then of course the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette is stunning. And then the lip balm, the Bali Balm. I'm going to use it, and then I will let you know if I think it's worth $33. I do appreciate you taking time out of your day, evening, or night to watch this. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and then click that notification button, and it will let you know when I have a next upload. I do random giveaways in my videos, so just make sure you keep an eye out for any new videos that I do that may or may not have giveaways in them. I love giving back to all of you. I really, really do appreciate you, and it's my way of showing you how much I do appreciate each and every one of you. If you wouldn't mind, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate that. That does help me. Again, I am trying to hit a goal. I have a goal this year. I want to get monetized just to help recoup some of the costs. Not only that, but that means that I can buy more items for giveaways. It's just hand in hand. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. This should be up on Tuesday or Wednesday, so that would be the 19th or the 20th. And I got to see what's going on with my eye. I don't like that it looks funny. Anyway, I hope you guys stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah. Much love.